Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. And today is 2022 July the 27th. Right, so yes, in this session, how to live trade Forex today with our Forex trading plan. We are going to pick up some of the currency, all right, that potentially we are going to focus, all right. So, yep. Once again, thank you so much for coming in. CK 你好 right 萨瓦迪克拉168 right so Hubert and Carol right Flora Roger okay nice to see all of you here. Okay, so yes, and I'm going to start off. All right, and hopefully this is going to be a good day because as of GMT +8 tonight, okay, 2 a.m. we are going to have FOMC. So I guess today the movement may have something that giving us some hints. Okay, that what is going to expect for tonight. All right, market is actually expecting to see a 2.5. All right, as I can see right now is that a 2 is highly possible. All right, so it will still give a lot of push. So currently, okay, whether is it going for 2 or 2.5? All right, okay. I guess we just need to focus on what is the movement, okay, of the market is reacting, okay. So I think that is more important. All right. Okay, so just not to get yourself confused or some unnecessary anxiety that okay tonight FOMC inflation again, oil price going to grow again. You know, there are a lot of guessing around. Am I right? So I guess tentatively, okay. So I will still prefer to make sure that we are trading within the action, the situation. Then I think that will be good, right? Okay. So let's start. Okay. Hi, Aiden. Nice to see you here. Okay. So can I have my MT4, please? Okay. So let's see. Here. Okay. Hi, Trina. 你好。希望你在英国过得好啊。Okay. All right. So over here, let's take a look at Aussie CAD. Okay, Aussie CAD. Well, Aussie CAD over here. Let's see what do we have here. Aussie CAD tentatively by looking at Aussie CAD right now, like I say, we are actually moving towards the bull. All right, so currently, it looks like it's going to have a retracement. Okay, so retracement to test on the support. So let's move the resistance up again. All right, so I'm going to remove this angle. Okay, so somewhere here and support, as we can see, tentatively it is still continue to higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, correct? So right now we are on the very first support over here. Okay, just nice with this solid green line here. Okay, so if this is going to hit on this line and it's going to retrace upwards for a buy, then forget about selling. Okay, no, anyway, it's for buyers. Okay, all right. And okay, so let's take a look at the Aussie franc. Okay, Aussie franc over here. Okay, so Aussie franc over at this point here. Okay, we are also looking out for a buying. So tentatively, the buy is still very strong, but today we are still the same. We are coming back here for a retesting of the support before it starts to buy. So buyers, please be patient. Let's wait for it to hit on the support. If there's a buying signal, okay, then you can continue the buying because over here, the resistance. Okay, so that you will be able to tell that right now, as you can see, right, it is still over at this point here where you can still have about 65 pips. Okay, still have a 65 pips. All right, so at this point here, so tentatively Aussie franc looking for buy, no for selling. Right, so how about Aussie yen? Aussie yen. Okay, Aussie yen. Aussie yen at this point here, all right. Aussie yen tentatively are moving into the bear, right, into the bear now, and seems like it has been rejected. So at the moment, if I'm going to look at this, right, this is the resistance over here. right? And the support level, as we can see, one here, the higher lows, and now the sellers are coming in this zone. So as we can see here, as we can see over here, this is somehow a left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder is coming soon. So probably, yeah, we can look out for selling. May look out for a selling. Okay, all right. So tentatively, Aussie yen. I'm gonna put this into my watch list. Okay, so yep, sell. Okay, I'm gonna sell Aussie yen. Okay. So over here we have quite a good space. Just that we need to find out. Okay, we still have about 30 pips to reach the resistance. And in fact, the resistance has been tested once. So currently, what are we waiting for? We are waiting for in H1 a new selling cycle like now. Okay, now it seems like we have a selling cycle over here. Okay, so we can pay attention to that. All right, so Aussie Kiwi, right? Aussie, we are still in the move, the bull. So tentatively, no for selling, but buyers, I would say that the resistance is also pretty near. We have about 45 pips away. So if you're going to buy, please take note of the resistance level, right? Okay, so let's move again to Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar right now we are in the bull. We are just exit into the bull. So not exit, sorry, enter into the bull. Okay, and now hitting on the resistance. This may be a pullback trade. Okay, it is highly likely to be a pullback trading. So at this point, you have 65 in total, but about 20, you may meet up with one higher support once again. Okay, so currently, I suggest not to trade against the trend. It is not very healthy. Okay, all right. So let's move again to Euro Aussie. Yes, Euro Aussie. Yep. Okay, so in Euro Aussie over here, as we can see right now, Euro Aussie, we are coming into the bear, going to retest the support as a resistance to continue the selling. So I'm going to bring this down, okay, over here, and the support over here, sorry, the resistance. So over at this point here, we have tested once on the resistance, so waiting for a good chance to sell. So like this, green, red now is on the selling mode. We have about 68 pips. So we got about 68 pips for Euro Aussie. Well, looks good. I'm gonna put Euro Aussie into my list. Okay, Sophia. Okay, so Euro Aussie. Yeah, let's take a look. All right. Yeah. Okay. You're welcome, Sophia. Okay, so yes, and I have another friend called Sophia in Germany as well. What a coincidence, huh? Okay. All right. Next round, I will bring the two of you onto my Zoom. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yep. And yeah. Tomorrow, GMT +8 1 a.m. Yep. You'll be on Zoom. Okay. All right. Okay. So EURCAD over here. EURCAD tentatively right now we are looking for a bear. So bear is still possible, where it's still now testing on the support as a resistance down here, and I'm going to shift this. Right, this is quite possible. Okay, quite potential. So tentatively from the current price to the support level, we have about 43 pips. 43. All right. So this is EURCAD. Okay, EURCAD. Okay, so right. Okay, so over here, let's see. At this point here for Euro Yen, in general trend, we are looking out for a selling. Am I right? Yesterday, Euro Yen, I was saying the pullback is possible. Okay, yes, in fact, yep, there's a pullback selling here. Okay, so we have 120 pips. Okay, for some of us, we managed to capture about 40 to 60. Yep, okay. And right now, it seems like Euro Yen is still on this pullback here, but today it seems like sorry, not pullback, back to the prevailing trend. So whether we still continue the selling over at this point, well, maybe. All right, there's a possibility there. Let's see, the support is here. All right. So if this is going to break this support, all right, then after that retrace again to retest then I will enter for a trade. If not, this highly likely to going up for a higher support, higher lows, higher support, higher lows, continue to buy. Okay, so yeah, it may. So tentatively, I won't be putting this into my watch list. All right, Euro Kiwi. How about Euro Kiwi? Euro Kiwi, we are still in the bull. Okay, we are still in the bull. So currently with this support over here, right? Over here. Okay, so for buyers, I guess today's your day for a Euro Kiwi. Probably you can go for a buy. Okay, so this is for you, not for us as sellers. Okay, so let's move on. Euro dollar. Let's take a look at euro dollar. Euro dollar general trend. If you're looking at this, we are in the selling, and actually pushes up to try to go into the bull. However, it drops down into bear once again. Okay, it drops down to the bear. So we have a support here. All right. So since the support is so near, the resistance is actually being tested once, and we are on the resistance right now. We have about 47 pips. So euro dollar, yes, look out for this area. If this area it is not breaking above, continue to have green red selling cycle, then yes, we can continue the selling. All right. Okay, euro dollar. Yep. Okay. Yes, Sabrina. Why do you always sound so energetic? Really? Okay. I have a good exercise this morning. All right. Okay. So pound Aussie. All right. Pound Aussie. Okay. Pound Aussie. Tentatively, we are hitting on the support here, and very likely that we are going for a buy in this area. So if once it breaks above the resistance, then it will continue to buy, and you will see that you actually form up a very big sideway. Okay, a very big sideway ranging over here. So currently, as we can see, at this point here, pound Aussie is only good for buying, no for selling. Okay, right. Okay, pound CAD. Let's take a look at pound CAD. Pound CAD at the moment, right now, we are still in the bear. Okay, we are still in the bear. So in this, bear trend over here, we have tested once on the support, second test, right, and now it's moving above. Now, when it started to retrace this way, it seems like it's now getting into a state of bull, the starting point of a bull. But then again, is that immediately it has one resistance level here, right? So perhaps it may still be hovering around this area. Okay, that it may not be as smooth go into the bear. All right, so we just need to take note. Okay, all right. Okay, so how is it good for selling? Tentatively, I would say it's good for selling because as you can see, the support level is here. We are left with about 38 pips. Is it good to sell? Scalp it. I think it's better. All right. I won't put this into my list. Okay. So pound franc. Let's take a look at pound franc. Well, pound franc tested for a few rounds, and now seems like it's going into the bull. Although we are not moving into the bull yet. But then again, is that you can see a higher support is building up. Another higher support perhaps will be building up again. So no for selling. If I want to sell, I want to make sure it breaks the support, retest, then I will consider the selling. If not, I will leave it alone. Okay. All right. So pound yen, right? Pound yen. Today the pound looks like it's pretty strong against the dollar and the yen. It's all moving upwards, right? It's moving towards the bull. Okay, so me, if I'm looking out for pound yen tentatively by looking at this point here, all right. There's one. Okay, so around this area to here, there's one resistance here. Okay, so currently, okay, I'm looking out for this area that looking at this seems like this area, right, is still going to retest the resistance as a support. So I look out for a selling, or should I look out for buying? Okay, if this tested here, okay, then highly likely it should be escalating up to another higher level. Okay, because this has already become a support. Okay, and over here. So no clear direction for pound yen yet. Okay, if able to break below this line, then we may have a chance to sell. Right, so we can pay attention to this. Okay, but however today more onto the buy side. Okay, more onto the buy side. So currently, okay, I will not put this into my list. Okay, but we can monitor. Alright, so pound kiwi, we are in the bull, still running on the bull. So tentatively no for selling. Buyers can take note, but please also take care of the resistance, which is 93 pips away. Okay. Alright, so pound dollar. Let's take a look at pound dollar. Well, pound dollar today, well, will it be moving towards selling? Right now, it seems like no. Okay, there's a retracement as of today. The retracement has lead the price into the bull. Okay, has lead the price into the bull. So pound dollar over here. Okay, tentatively right now we are still at this testing the highs here. Right, if this high is not breaking, highly likely this is going to swing down for about, okay, if the highs here, okay, it should be about 92 pips. Okay, we have about 92 pips. All right, so this should be looking out for 92 pips, but tentatively let it test the resistance first. Okay, pound dollar. So I'm not going to put pound dollar into my watch list as well. It's for monitoring. Okay, so we have good chance for selling. Okay, because I see that it will still come back to this level to retest. Okay, we have about 150 pips to retest this level. It doesn't matter when it will come and retest the level. All right, so just hang on first. Okay, just wait for the good chance. All right, so not now. All right, dollar CAD. Let's take a look at dollar CAD. Well, dollar is falling now. Okay, so over at this point here, we are still like in the bear. Okay, so right now dollar CAD is in the bear. So tentatively, if I'm going to sell dollar CAD, we have to pay attention to this support level, which are about 40 pips away. Okay, so I'm going to put dollar CAD into my watch list. Okay, for the first half. Okay, dollar CAD. All right, it will. Yeah, please be careful about the dollar today. Right, dollar franc. Let's take a look at dollar franc. Yeah, dollar franc over here. Okay, as of this dollar franc, as in this area here. Okay, we will be able to see. We'll be able to see that this level of support is actually right here. Okay, so we still have about 77. Okay, let's see the support correct. One. Okay, right. Dollar franc looks good, but we have one support over here. Okay, let's take a look at this support first. All right, this support is actually very near. So let's wait for this to break first. Okay, after it's breaking, then retest the support to sell. Okay, dollar franc. So looks like we have selling of dollar franc again today. Okay, right. And let's go with dollar yen. All right, dollar yen. So everybody love to see this. Dollar yen, dollar yen. Well, dollar yen after the pullback, that's on the support. It's now moving upwards and now meeting up with resistance. So I guess from now, okay, this resistance has been tested, but today the whole overall trend is still moving on the north. So currently, I see that this resistance may break easily. Okay, all right. So let's move on. I'm not going to put dollar yen into my watch list as well. Well, Bitcoin, yes, Bitcoin, we have achieved 20 last night and now retracing upwards for 21. Well, 21, I guess this is still not there yet. Still looking out for another lower price. And highly likely it may happen tomorrow. And for Bitcoin over here, I'm still looking for 16 or 17. Okay, I'm still looking about 16 or 17. Okay, so tentatively I will still wait for it. Okay, all right. Okay, that should be all for today. All right. Okay, let me sum it up and set out, flash it out so that everybody can see. All right. Okay, so yep. And right now, okay, what do we have here? We have Aussie yen, Euro Aussie, EURCAD, Euro dollar, dollar CAD, and dollar franc. Okay, we are all looking out for selling for all these. So later on, when the UK hour starts, I will be here again with all of you in the UK hour live streaming with all of you to trade together. Okay, so hopefully all of you can will attend the session as well. Okay, all right, and thank you very much for this session. Do remember to smash the like button for the effort behind the video. All right. For those who are now alongside watching my video, do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can stay connected in the UK hour. Right. Thank you so much, guys. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you again.